Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add testimonial with image in your checkout. So for example, if you need to add something like this, which will give you more trust into your Shopify checkout. So something like this, an image and the text what people are giving. So if you need to add something like this, I'll explain in this video. So for this, we are using the Checkout Ninja app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I attach the app link in the app link of the app in the description as in the first comment. So after installing the app, you come to the home page. You can click on Create Advanced Block. So you need to actually create a new checkout block. But I have already made one of the checkout block and just show you how it's made. So we give a title, and if you have any rules, specific time it should be done, specific conditions are met, then only it show. That can be also done. So from the blocks type, select the testimonial, and for the testimonial you have some good different type of elements. One is the heading. So that's basically this heading, and this is the content, and you can give the author name, and this is the image URL. So basically this is the image, and then you can give star rating, can give dynamic star rating, which can be 5 stars, 4 stars, everything. And if you have any specific star rating on your any of the review pages or review app, so you can use a static image and you can give that particular star rating image URL over here, then it will automatically updated. And here you can give a review date, right? If you need further reviews to be added, you can add one more block. If you need it, you can add a divider first, then you can add testimonial block once more. So this is the testimonial block, and this is an example we already written. I'm giving the same image for example to show how it works. Save image, and the starring also dynamic starring, you can give it 4 star and save it, right? So actually once you made it, you need to copy the block ID and open the checkout editor, and you need to add a custom block and paste it there. Paste the block ID. So right, I think I forgot to copy the block ID. So this is the block ID, and you can paste the block ID here over here, then it will be shown. Okay. So since we have already one is there, I'm removing this block ID. This is what we don't need it. I'm deleting it. Right. And if we go to the checkout and refresh again, you can see the reviews are easily added, right? So this is the 5 star one, this is the 4 star one. If you need to add a different things, you can easily do that. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.